Okay, here's the E4K Plus action camera. Currently it is powered on, and let's say if it accidentally powered on in your pocket or in your luggage, then it will drain your battery and the camera itself will heat up. So let's see how to force the camera to turn itself off automatically after a certain period of time. Go here to the settings wheel in the corner. Okay, now go to the next settings wheel. Okay, and look for advanced. It's here, advanced, and here you have auto power off, and it's set to never, so the camera will never power itself off. So let's set it to, let's say, 3 minutes. We have 5 and 10, 3 minutes. Okay, and now the camera will power automatically itself off after 3 minutes of inactivity. This is not influencing the recording time, so if you're recording for, let's say, 4 minutes, then the camera will not turn itself off after 3 minutes, only if it's sitting and doing nothing. Let's test it. And the camera should automatically power off in a few moments. Okay, so finally it turned off after 3 minutes of inactivity. Thanks for watching and bye bye.